will be making a fidget spinner out of a 3D pen, and I'll get the supplies and I will meet you there in 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got all the supplies, but so I'll be right back.
Make a ball first. Make a ball, Stefan. Poo-poo is the poo-poo, poo-poo is the bird. This. Do. That's what's going on. That's what's going on. One. It is two. Yes. One.
I just finished putting in the ink, and now I just need to dry it out with this. And the question is, will it spin? Put in the comments what you think, and I'll see you when I'm done drying it. Here, I got it right here. It looks ugly, but does it spin? Yup, it does spin. It spins really well. Well, yeah. It did that one thing where it goes one way, then it goes the other way. See that right there? It looks like it's going this way, but then like it moves the other way. Probably why it does that is because it's an illusion. So, what? Yep, it's really thin. See, it's thin. Well, it's good that it spins. I wasted one of my bearings on this from one of the fidget spinners, but now I know I can make more than just one. So that's cool. So, yeah, see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, and bye.